Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm gonna be changing out my side marker light. This one right here. I've already replaced that one. I'm gonna do the other side. Um, all the lights that I have on my car, they're all LEDs, and I'm changing the other side out because the LEDs that I have in there, it's starting to flicker. So that tells me like the LED bulb is bad. And I'm gonna be replacing it with this one. I bought this at Walmart for about a good $7 just for one. Good $7 for this. And I know some people, they like to put white behind the lens, and to them that'll make it seem like a brighter. But me, I'm a person that loves to match. I gotta match. So if I have an amber light with the amber lens, I'm gonna put an amber bulb for an amber lens, which will give it that more bright orange effect. I've already replaced this side right here, but this side is doing okay. It's fine, but I do notice the similarities of the light output. This one right here seems to be a lot brighter than what I have in there. So yeah, I gotta match everything. I gotta get everything organized. I hate to have anything that's off. But I'm gonna turn on my parking light so you guys could see. So this light is this right here. That's what I have in that. Is this right here. And this one's a different type of amber LED that I got off Amazon. And this one works fine. This one works great. I'm just gonna keep it, but I'm gonna put this one in just so that I could have a matching set on both sides. That looks good. I like it. But yeah, I got amber LEDs for my turn signals. I got these off Amazon. They're Oxitos. They're a good brand. But I'm gonna pause the video, guys, and then I'll get back to you when I'm done. All right, everybody, welcome back. This is the amber LED that I took out. The camera focus. So this is the one I had in there. I got this off Amazon. It worked good. It was bright, but the driver's side started flickering, and I just felt like it was just a matter of time for this one went. So I just replaced it. And it is good. And just so you guys know, when you put these bulbs in, they are polarity sensitive. So if it doesn't work when you plug it in, just flip it around and it'll turn on. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna do it. Just wanted you guys to know what LED bulbs that I'm using for my side marker lights and my front. You guys know I made videos in the past, so you guys can always scroll down and check those out. But yeah, this is what I use for today. And it doesn't have anything to do with hyper flashing or anything like that. This is what has to do with hyper flashing. I already got all that set up with the what you call it. I can't think right now. It was a long day. But yeah, those resistors, I had those installed with resistors, so I don't have to worry about hyper flashing on those. All right, guys. Well, as always, love making these videos for you guys. Love showing you what I do to my car and how I work on it. And you guys like, you know what to do. Peace.